Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. Oh, the beautiful and the handsome. So guys, we are going to check out Old Portbell Road today. The road that starts from that roundabout. You see that Airtel thing over there, yeah? The road that starts from there. If you take the right up to Portbell Road. I know. We have the Old Portbell Road, we have the new Portbell Road. So today we are checking out the Old Portbell Road, yeah? First off, this is Ginger Road. I was coming from the side of Mukwano Road, yeah? So we are going to go around the roundabouts and then we are going to check out Old Portbell Road, yeah? Someone recently asked in the comments that they don't remember the road where they got their passport from, yeah? So if you are here, I'm going to show you where you got your passport from. And then someone else also mentioned this road, yeah? In the comments that they would like to have a video of this road from this roundabout to Bugolobi. So we are going to move from here up to somewhere there, Bugolobi Market, yeah? So if you take the left takes you to Speak Apartments and then Kololo Airstrip, yeah? Actually, Speak Apartments are just over there. You see the brown building overhead? Let this car first move. Just there. A brown building overhead, those are Speak Apartments. So this is Wampeo Avenue. This area is called Wampeo Avenue. If you take the left, you go up to Speak Apartments, then you continue, you go to Kololo Airstrip, then you continue like that, yeah? So this is us starting our journey. This is Old Portbell Road. This is how it looks like at the moment. It was recently under construction. It has been under construction for a while, actually. Sometime last year and then sometime this year. They're almost done, but they still have some bits to go, yeah? You're also going to see for yourself. You know me here. I don't say too much. I let you see these things for yourself, So, we are moving. First off, on the left, that is the passport office, yeah? On the left there. That is where you go, you know, the passport interview and then picking the passport. Though there are many areas to pick now. You don't have to necessarily come back here to pick, yeah? Because you can pick from Chambogo, you can choose where to pick from, yeah? So on the right, that is Total Old Portbell Road. On the left, those are MTN offices. The headquarters should be the MTN headquarters, yeah? That's where they are. And then on the right, that is the Lufula on the right. I know I asked you in the video of Sentema Road, what do they call Lufula in English? Guys, I'm sorry, I forgot. Guys, I forgot the word. What do they call Lufula in English? I know I've asked this question before and then you guys told me in the comments, but I forgot the word. Silly me, I know. But anyway, we've passed by the Lufula there. When you're passing by, you can smell the cow dung and then the cow urine and then all that, yeah? So for those people who do not know Lufula, it is the place where they slaughter animals from. This time I am talking about real animals, cows. I know I ever tell you about slaughterhouses. I know I ever tell you about slaughterhouses, and now we have them mixed up. Sometimes we don't even know what we are slaughtering, but I'm talking about cows and goats. So anyway, this is the road. This is how it looks like. This is what is going on. So let's check it out. As we move on, yeah? So, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you are returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I really, really do appreciate. Drop me a comment. Let me know the areas you would like to see. Let me know what you think about the road situation, the surrounding, the businesses, literally everything, yeah? Everything and anything. Let me know what you think. I would like to hear from you, yeah? Like the video in case you do enjoy the video. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Tutambuze ekintu bwetu kyo mpola ngawe mukimanyi we tukikola wano. So there is this road here. Is that First Street? I'm actually not sure, but I think that is First Street. That road there on the left where we've passed. Is it that one or is it this one? Because there is that one where we've passed, and then there is this one. There used to be a club here on the left, guys. Long ago. I've forgotten the name. No, I know I keep on forgetting the names, but then you people remember the names. You people and clubs, you people and how do we call this word in English? I trust you guys. So somewhere here on the left, there used to be a club here way back in the day. I remember I once came here when I was still in high school. I was still in high school, and then my sister was at campus. So I left school. Actually, I think it was holidays. Then I went to her hostel, and then I told my mom I had gone to her hostel. And then when I reached her hostel, I told her we have a party at the club there on the left. I've forgotten the name, but there used to be a club there. It's now Plascon. They put Plascon, but that was the place, I remember. Or if I remember correctly, that was the place. There was a club there. I've forgotten the name. Was it Play? Or was Play different? Anyway, guys, in case you do remember, please be kind and remind all of us. I trust you when it comes to the clubs, when it comes to the English words. I trust you people. You are my people. You are my people, but beautiful bange, but handsome bange. Quite gamba. Anyway, this is what is going on the road. I'm thinking they're going to put flowers in the middle. You see that middle bit there, yeah? They usually plant flowers. They leave the soil there to plant flowers. And then on the sides, we do have the pavements. They're actually working on the pavements. You've seen many roads that we've seen. The pavements are not done. Yeah, but this one, pavements are done. So on the left, that place is called Motive. In case you've been hearing about it or seeing it online, it is called Motive. Yeah, on the left there is quite a lot that goes on there. We do have railway tracks here, somewhere here. We are going to, there. You see them crossing through? So the train used to pass here. I don't know if it still passes here anyway, but it used to pass here way back in the day. It goes up to Chireka, Boyogere, like that. Actually, I think it still passes here. Someone recently commented on one of the videos, and they said that the railway tracks are deep in the ground. Yeah? They are deep in the ground. It's like they are forgotten. Munange. That is a story for another day. Wait until you see the train. Wait until you see the train. But one of these days, when I get some time, I'm going to check out the train. I'll go and look for it and buy the ticket and check it out just to show you what is going on. And then after that, we'll hide our faces. After that, when our neighbors are talking, we'll hide our faces. But I'll look for it, people, I promise. So anyway, this is still Old Portbell Road, yeah? This is still Old Portbell Road. They still have a way. They still have some bits to go, but they've pretty much done most of it. You see here, they are putting stones. They are putting stones there, and then that is the cuckoo shop. You know the cuckoo, the people who sell chicken and all that. Yeah. If you take the right takes you. The right is 5th Street. That one I know. The right is 5th Street, and then it takes you up to Namuwongo, yeah? We do have a video of Namuwongo Road, then a little bit of 5th Street, industrial area, in case you would like to watch it. It's there on the channel, guys. We do have a lot of videos, I tell you. A lot of videos. You cannot even finish them, even if you wanted to. So, check them out. For those who are new here, please do check them out. And again, guys, for the people who say they don't know how I look like, you see, guys, in the old videos, most of my videos from last year, I used to show myself, so when you're home and you don't have much you're doing, just go through the videos. There are videos where I'm there, Banang. Nanti I stand next to the road. So anyway, let us carry on. Okay, moving forward, the middle bits, just like I mentioned, definitely plants or flowers and all that. Then the side bits, we are seeing some stones. That is a nice touch. I hope the stones are going to go all the way. You're seeing bits and bits of stones, Then if you take the right, the right takes you to Luthuli Avenue. Luthuli Avenue, then that is Shell. Then that is Village Mall on the right. Village Mall, then Shell, then Luthuli Avenue. Guys, I told you, if you're attentive students, by now, you know how these roads are connecting. If you've been attentive enough and you've been watching and listening, you know how all these roads connect to each other, because we have a video last week when I was on Losori Avenue and then I got lost and you guys were laughing at me in the comments, but okay. So anyway, this is Spring Road now. Somewhere there, around Shell there, it stops being Old Portbell Road and then it becomes Spring Road, yeah? So now this is Spring Road. Though if you meet the other road, it becomes Portbell Road again. But this one where we are right now, this is Spring Road. On the right there, there was a bar there. No, there are still bars, but there was a bar there that we used to go to during the lockdown. It used to have live band. During the curfew days, we used to sing to live band as we are looking at the time waiting for curfew. And then live band used to end at 8, yet curfew was at 7. Lockdown, I will not even deny. Lockdown party, that was the best party. But anyway, the left takes you to Chiswa, Bugolobi Chiswa. If you take the left, Bugolobi Chiswa. Then the right, that is Bugolobi Market. The right takes you to Bugolobi Market, and then it takes you to Bandali Rise, you know, where the clubs and all that. But the right, that is Bugolobi Market. So this is us finishing Spring Road. We are getting done with Spring Road, and then we are going to join Portbell Road. Yeah. So if you take the left takes you to Nakawa. That is New Portbell Road. They call it New Portbell Road. The left. If you take the right, it takes you to Lozera. Yeah. So I'll be posting a video starting from here up to Lozera to show you what's going on with the road and all that. Yeah. So this is us joining Portbell Road. So thank you guys for being here once again. Please like the video. If you've enjoyed the video, drop me a comment. Let me know the areas you'd like to see, what you think about everything. Subscribe to the channel, share the video. Tutambuze chintu ngawe mbagamba. So we do have quite a number of videos coming up. Stay tuned and take care of yourselves. Yeah. Bye bye.